back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm very excited for today's video. It is a 2022 reset with me and prep for the new semester. Because I literally just walked into my apartment, went back home to Knoxville for Christmas break, the new year. I've been gone for like 3 weeks-ish, and just got back today. It's January 3rd, the first Monday of the year. And I can't lie, I've been kind of sluggish the past week, just doing a lot of work, shipping out your orders. I set goals for the new year, made videos about it obviously, but now that I'm back in Nashville, it officially feels like the new year, and it's like, well, officially feels like I'm ready to like get started with my new goals, with my new habits, get a clean slate. Today's the first Monday of the year, so perfect time to do that. It's about 3:30. It's gonna get dark pretty soon, but I need to go to the grocery store. I have absolutely nothing. So I think what I'm gonna do though before I go to the grocery store is throw my sheets and everything, and duvet, I think too, in the wash so that they're clean for me to sleep on tonight when I get back. I also need to unload more from my car. I have brought so much back with me. It's always weird walking back into your apartment after you've been gone for a good while. Let's take a look at the fridge. Let's see. Me and Lucy, our cute little Polaroid wall. Let's see. Yeah, we got some condiments, but definitely need, and some alcohol. Definitely need some groceries. This was my emotional support water bottle for 3 years. Got a nice dent, but I upgraded for 2022. It's the same size. My favorite is the 40 ounce. It's like slim, but still very big. A lot of ounces, obviously. And of course, the straw lid helps so much with drinking water. And I got this one, well, it's a Christmas gift from my lovely mother, in light blue. So just like the workbooks, I now have my water bottles in the same color. All right, here we go. I put all the groceries out on the counter in kind of an order. My total was about $100, which is more than I normally spend on a weekly grocery trip, and I am probably gonna go to Whole Foods tomorrow to get more produce because their produce is better. But since I had to do a complete pantry and fridge restock, that's why it was a little bit higher. Some of these things I'll use for a few weeks, but yeah. All right, so we'll start down here with produce. Avocados, lemons, cherry tomatoes, all 3 for avocado toast. I got a cucumber because I have a juicer here and want to start juicing again. Bananas, I got these gorgeous flowers. Whenever I'm in doubt, I get hydrangeas and then like some kind of little white flower. And hydrangeas and these last so long, so I don't have to buy flowers every week. I can get them like every few weeks. Sourdough bread, it's the only bread I like to eat or like to have toast with. Raspberries, mini tortillas because breakfast tacos I make all the time, and even for lunch or dinner. So we also have eggs, Mexican style shredded cheese. This is the best kind. 2% Greek yogurt, oat milk. I love spicy chicken sausage, and then I also got chicken thighs to make burrito bowls or to put with this sauce, the soyaki sauce. This, some rice and some veggies is so good. I got 2 kombuchas to like have a nice little after dinner drink. Classic hummus, a barbell protein bar, and then a bunch of Go Macro bars. My favorite one is Everlasting Joy. These are great for meal replacements. So like if I'm going to class in the morning and, well, my classes are online right now, but if I need a quick breakfast, I'll just take one of these to class. I've never tried this Green Dragon hot sauce, but it looks really good, like a verde sauce. Also got this salsa, which I make in the crock pot with the chicken for burrito bowls, along with black beans, and then raw almond butter. And then lastly, for frozen, we have my favorite rice. It's the only way I cook rice, which is in the microwave for 3 minutes. It's fantastic. Frozen broccoli, frozen green beans, and then frozen mango for smoothies. So I'm gonna put all this away and then get started with dinner. I don't know yet what I'm gonna make. I'll figure that out while I'm putting this away. All right, first time using the Always pan. I really like it. I use the steamer. Never even have used a pan steamer to steam the frozen broccoli. And then it cooked up the rest of what I had of Trader Joe's orange chicken from my freezer. I got my microwaved rice coming out. It's 5:30 and I'm starving. So I went for something that was gonna take less than 30 minutes and it's gonna be yummy. So I'm going to eat this and watch an episode of Emily in Paris and then continue unpacking and unloading from my car. FaceTime my boyfriend while I ate it, which is so nice to do, a little catch up. But now that I have some time, I'm going to sit here, watch some YouTube, and work on my Notion. I'm gonna switch over to a screen recording so you guys can kind of see how I'm switching up my Notion, creating my grade tracker and all of that kind of stuff. So the first thing that I made in my Notion is I updated my daily routines page. I made this last year in January and it's helped me every semester since. I don't follow this strictly every day, but I do this at the beginning of the semester to really figure out what all I can fit in my day with my new class schedule, when I'm going to fit in my meals, when I'm going to fit in a workout, when I'm going to fit in my job and work. I honestly don't look at this page after the first few weeks. I time block every day based on what I need to get done that day, but it really is great at the beginning of the semester when your classes change and you know you're going to have a new daily schedule. So now I'm making a grade tracker, and I actually made an Excel sheet for this my freshman year because I just needed to know what my grade was going to be in each class. And I have that Excel sheet on my website as a free download if you want that, if you don't use Notion. But I thought I would try out the Notion grade tracker. The only thing I noticed is that it also had a box for when you would input late work. And to be honest, guys, I do not turn in my work late. Like, I just never have done that. So I don't need those tabs. But if you do, then they do the math for you. So other than that, all I had was my raw score, the weighting based on the syllabus, and then, my final grade. And so I just went back and forth in between each of my syllabi and inputted the assignments that I'm going to have due each semester and how many points there are, so that every time I get a grade on something, I can come back to my grade calculator and see how it affects my overall grade. And then the last thing I do is I look at my syllabi again, and any of those big assignment due dates like papers, projects, exams, I put them into my Google Calendar. So you may be wondering, Hannah, you have a planner that you created. Why do you also use Google Calendar? I use Google Cal for months out. So, semesters go till April and I want to be able to know what's coming up in the future months. And I use my planner as more of a daily look. So I don't plan that far ahead in my planner. I use Google Cal for that. And my planner gets me through each day. I would say this whole process takes about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. So it's a good chunk of time to sit down and go through each syllabus and get the due dates and the grading. But once you do that, I promise you'll feel a lot more prepared and you'll actually know what's coming up before the semester even starts. So it is 8:30. Woke up at 8, made my coffee, and we're ready to start the new day. All right, I am about to go to the gym, ignore the mess. I'm wearing my new Set Active set in oat milk, and I haven't been to like an actual gym. Well, I'm going to my apartment gym, but I don't have a gym at home, so it's definitely gonna be a hard day back in the gym today, but I'm ready for it, ready to get back on my grind, and yeah, just gonna try to start this day off with a strong workout. This probably won't apply to your all's reset for the new year, but for me, gotta pack a bunch of orders, like 20 orders this morning. So I have a little setup here on my kitchen counter of all of my products, labels, mailers, what I need to pack. And this has just been looming over me since they've all been coming in very quickly, which is amazing. I'm so thankful. But I just want to get it done and then move on with like the rest of my organization for the day. Orders are packed. So along with getting organized and cleaned apartment and everything. I also wanted it to be kind of like a beauty prep day, reset day. And my hair has definitely been feeling it lately, so I'm going to shower and use this Way Scalp and Body Scrub. And then I'm going to use my Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask, also in the shower. It's just like a deep conditioner. And I'm also getting my nails redone today, hopefully, and my eyebrows threaded. So getting a refresh for beauty as well. All right, I'm feeling very fresh and clean, feeling much better. It is now almost 12 o'clock. I'm gonna get my eyebrows threaded at 2, so I'm going to try to use the next hour or so to clean my bathroom and my closet, really organize. Let me show you a before. The closet is a mess. This is how I lived all of finals week, and it was awful. So I told myself as soon as I got back, I was going to clean this up. I have like workbooks in here. I have everything. So this is gonna take this is a big project, but yeah, I'm gonna use the next hour or so to work on it and try to just see the floor. Try to just see the bottom of my closet because this is bad. Guys, this took 15 minutes. I thought it was gonna take way longer, and it's already significantly better than it was. I'm able to store 2 suitcases up here and put away my Christmas stuff, shoes. I didn't like organize the clothes at all. I just got everything hung up. Laundry basket, shoes, yoga mats over there, all my clothes and coats. I thought this was gonna take way longer. It just goes to show you, like, just tackle the task and time it, because next time my closet gets that bad, I'll just say, hey, it's only gonna take 15 minutes. Let me fix it, and I will be so much better off when my closet looks like this. Next, we're gonna tackle the workout clothes drawer. This is just my Sit activewear. Cute. There we go. Much better. All right, next up, we're gonna work on the office space. It's fine. I need to like take out the trash, organize these drawers, and just figure this out. Trying to find a place for these little candles. I got these for Christmas from Brooklinen. They're AM to PM little candles, like to set the mood for the different parts of your day. It could be cute to like set up. I don't know if I should just have like my wake and magic hour candle here, because that's when I'll be sitting at my desk, and then I can put like dusk and nightcap over here by my bed. Actually, that's kind of cute because they match the blue. I have 2 other candles here. Here we go, all set up for success. Cleaned out the drawers, got my charger, laptop, workbook, cleaned up. I love having a laptop stand. It helps so much, especially with online classes. I'm not looking down at my laptop screen the whole class. I'm just be able to look like straight ahead. Helps with your neck and posture. I love it. So like I said, I wanted part of today's prep to also be beauty stuff, and just because I really didn't like do anything and was just kind of bleh all winter break. So I got my eyebrows threaded, which is basically just where they clean it up. I got so many Starbucks gift cards for Christmas, so I've been using them up as little treats. Let me know what you guys get from Starbucks, or if you have like healthier Starbucks orders. This is a caramel macchiato with oat milk. Yeah, just like a good classic. But yeah, let me know if you guys have like yummy, healthier Starbucks orders. I also like their iced green tea. I like their matcha, even though I know the matcha is not like the best for you, but it's still so good. And then I also picked up something for my business, shipped orders, but now it is time to get my nails done. Ta-da! It got darker out, but I got a nice nude. Got them shortened a lot, which is great. And then I went in this very cute little local bookstore, because because I wanted to get some new fiction books, because one of my habits recently and for 2022 is to read some fiction before bed. Hadn't heard these two talked about. They were in like the hot fiction section. So this is like a mystery, and then this is just a cute little like romance beachery type of book. So I'm very excited to support a local bookstore and get some new reads. Make a little burrito bowl with the protein being black beans, and then I added this salsa and green hot sauce, green dragon hot sauce into my always pan, of course. And then I'm gonna add in the leftover rice. I'm gonna need to make more from last night, and then top it with some cheese and guacamole, and it's a very quick and easy bowl. Normally I would do chicken in the Instant Pot with this salsa, kind of like a crock pot shredded chicken, but I didn't defrost it and don't feel like waiting. So this is a quick version. There we go. And we'll also be eating more guac and chips on the side. Got my green juice, and now I am ready to do a little bit more planning. Feeling like that girl, even though I don't think it's the best to strive to be, you know, the trend behind that girl, that aesthetic, but some days it's nice to feel put together and full of wellness like that, and that's how I feel after making this. Okay, so now I am going to fill out my semester pages in my Dream Achieve workbook. If you're new here, this is the planner that I created specifically for students because I'm a college student myself who also likes to achieve all my goals, but also try to prevent burnout whenever possible. So there's 2 pages in the student workbook that are different than the day driven, and that is the semester planning and semester goals page. This page is basically where we write down our professor's name, the class name, credit hours, the time and day they meet, the building and the room, so that when you're running around, you know, especially the first week or 2 of classes, I always need to reference where I'm going and who it is and all of that. And then the semester goals page is more, it's a little bit different. It's more about like your lifestyle and your goals. So we have our goal GPA, and then at the end of the semester, we'll write in what our actual GPA was, how you're going to achieve that GPA through an ideal study routine, how will I balance my life, and we have this chart. And so this is like what helps prevent burnout, and it helps add balance into your life. So I have a few little subjects here, or you can write in your own, like health, friendships, work, side hustle, dating, family, smart budgeting, internship, hobbies, or if you have others, you can kind of add those in, and you can divide this up however you want to represent how you're going to balance your life this semester. So I normally, during my semesters, focus on school, my work, which is YouTube, and my business, and then friendships, and then also like my health. I'm also going to add in another little aspect, part friendships and part my relationship, because my boyfriend's moving to Nashville. So normally that's long distance and I don't have to really worry about it when I'm here at school, but I wanted to focus on that as well.